Hello, today I want to show you how to use a latch. Prepare a 9-volt battery, a battery buckle, a power module, a button, a LED, and a latch. Firstly, connect the buckle with battery and the DC in interface. Secondly, connect the button, and the LED. Switch on the power module, and press the button. Then, connect the latch. Press the button. And now you can see the differences. By connecting the latch, it becomes a self-locking button. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in Pinpinwa products, feel free to contact us, or your local distributor.